Hello everyone. Today I would like to share my feedback on the satellite navigation that I am currently using. So this one is actually the TomTom Go Classic. So I brought this device around 15 days back. So today is 22nd of December 2023. So that means this is the 2023 edition, December edition I would say. So this is a 6-inch screen LCD screen navigation. So you can see the specification over here as well. It's a 6-inch touchscreen and it has the TomTom European maps. That means actually you will get offline maps of the whole European countries. Then you will have an inbuilt Wi-Fi module which will allow you to get the traffic, which will allow you to get the map updates and then traffic camera updates. So whenever you have an update, it will be notified on your device, so you can easily get those updates using your Wi-Fi. Then the other one is actually the TomTom traffic feature, which will allow you to get the live traffic updates on your phone when your phone is actually connecting to this device through a mobile application that I would say it's called TomTom Go Navigation. So by pairing your mobile phone with that application, you will get the latest notifications of traffic as well. And also you will can pair your device with your mobile with this TomTom device using Bluetooth, so that you will get this message notification and messages on the TomTom device. And also you have the options to plan your road trips by TomTom. That means actually you can plan your routes. For example, if you want to exclude motorways, if you want to exclude ferries, then you have the options to choose all those options, and you can plan your road trip based on the plan that you have. Okay, so let's jump into the device features and we'll see how this is going to work. Okay, so your TomTom Go Classic includes a satellite navigation device, which you can see here. So this is the satellite navigation device, and there is an option for mounting this device on your windshield or your dashboard, and you will have a charging cable. So it will, I can share, this will have a charging cable. So on one end it would be this would be the pin which you need to mount on the back of this device. So I can show you that actually there is a charging port over here. So this is the charging port, and you can use this charging mount over here, so it will properly fit into it. And there would be a power button, so this is actually used to turn on and turn off your whole device. And on the other side of the charging cable, it would be a USB port. So you can choose either this 12-volt supply. So this is also included in the box. That means actually the charging supply, the charging cable, and actually the satellite navigation device. So either you can charge your device on your vehicle, on your car, using this 12-volt adapter, or you can charge this device in your home by directly using the normal mobile adapters. Okay, so let's get into the device. So like I have mentioned, the power, charger, and the mount, or means mount to windshield. And you can see the badging, company badging over here, which says TomTom. So in order to turn on the device, right now the device is off, and when you get the device will have slight charges. So you should need to charge the device to 100% in order to use without any interruption. Okay, so in order to turn on the device, long press on the power button. Then you will see the lights are coming, and you can see the badging, and there's a sound which indicates that actually the device is starting, and there's a progress bar will be displayed over here. So you need to wait 20 seconds, nearly 20 seconds to load everything. Okay, so I'm using it for nearly 15 days, so you will see my everything is loading by default. So my current location, everything is actually showing on the main screen. And also I believe like you have noticed that there is an update that indicates that there is a software update is required. So that means actually they are continuously sending updates on maps and also speed cameras. So after this, within this 15 days, actually I have received 2 times these updates. So I already updated those things before, and now I have a new update as well for today. So maybe I need to update this one today as well. So this is the first landing page, or I would say this is a map view by default. So you will have the options to zoom in and zoom out. So use the plus or minus arrows to zoom in and zoom out. And you have at the bottom left you will have this menu option. If you click on this menu, you will see these options available for the user. So the bottom one, which is actually to lower and raise your volume. So for example, let me 60, 50, like that, you can increase or decrease the volume. Okay, and also if you click on menu again, you will see different options over here: search, drive home, recent destinations, current route, my places. Also few other options are also available. So that last you will have settings as well. So let's start with the search. So search, which is actually helping you to search a location by name or also with a postcode. So let's search with a name. For example, if I'm searching for Drake, you will see different suggestions over here: Drake Circus, Drake Circus. Based on the area that you are actually living, you will get these notifications. You will get the search result. So if I am choosing the first one, it will shows the direction. So this is the destination point. So if this is the place that I want to drive, I should choose drive. Then it will show how I need to take my directions. So this is the source and this would be the destination. So, and on the map you will see the map view. This is the 3D view, and also you will see informations like what is the
your destination at 2:27 p.m.
Yeah, what is the current time. That means you can see it is 22 past 14, and you will reach 27 past 14. So it will take nearly 5 minutes, and 5 minutes, and then it's actually the place is around 1 mile away. So all this information will be available, and even you can change this information. So like your what you want to display on the screen, those information can be customized from the settings page. And if you want to leave this place, you should choose the button, and so that it will be left. Let's go to the other options as well. Here also you can search by postcode, which is also a good feature that you will use. PL46 6Q. So you can see multiple results are over here showing here. If I'm choosing this one, shown map or add crossroads, like if you want to add more roads, those stops, those can also included, or this one is also possible. If I want to exit the map, you should press here. Okay, then I will go back to the main screen. So if I want to go search again, you should search it from here. And also you have the options like recent destinations. So you will see the recent places you have visited. It means you have searched, and that can be easily accessed from here. And also you have options to set your home. That means actually you can save your postcode as your home, and later you can directly drive home. You can directly choose this option, and it will take you to the home directly. Okay, Then you will see other options like current routes. That means when one route is active, it shows current route. So if I'm just closing this one and terminating this one, you will see the current route has been disabled. And there is other things like my places, which is like bookmarking. So you can bookmark your postcodes, and maybe like in future if you want to uh, choose these places, you can directly take it from my places instead of searching these things with a postcode. That's also a helpful feature. And if you go to the other options, you will see my routes. So that means actually you have the options to record your routes, and those routes will be available under my routes. So this is the record route option. So when you are actually moving to going through a route and you want to record that route, then you can just directly press on this one, and it will record the route, and it will be available under my routes. And this one is actually for parking. Like if you have any point of interest like parkings, it will shows the nearest parkings over this place. So here you can see I have configured this thing related to near me. So that means it will return the parking spots available near me. Okay. And if you want to change it, you can have the change options. Like you can get the parking slot for the whole map or in a specific city or town. Those things are also possible. And if I'm going back, so similar to parking, you will get petrol station information as well. So the reason the nearest petrol stations, you will get it. And if I want to go there, just click on that one and choose try, so it will take you there. And here is one more option, which is like if you are seeing that any speed cameras are missing in this map, you can report the speed cameras to the map, so that it will be updated on the map later as well. Then the other one is actually the settings one. For the settings, actually we have a couple of options as well. The first one is actually the appearance. So let me put appearance. So what you are actually seeing on the appearance screen is first is display. Displays means actually you can change the theme color. Like right now you can see I am using green everywhere. If you want to change it to blue, you can choose it as blue. And if you go back, you will see everywhere you can see blue everywhere. And you can change the size of the text and buttons. Even you can handle brightness. So the first option is for all those things, and second one is actually the root bar. So like I was mentioning before, like you can configure what all the information that you need to see on the route map. So here you can see what I have configured is actually the switch between distance and time automatically. So it means it will shows the remaining distance and my estimated time of arrival as well. So if you don't want all these two informations, then you can choose like I want to show remaining distance only, or I want to show remaining time only. So like that actually you can configure here as well. And rest of the themes, like do we need to show current time, do we need to show wide route bar if possible, those kind of information can also be configured. And we will have the point of interest. This one is actually for charging station. So if you are driving an electric car, you can enable this one. I am driving a diesel car, so I don't want this feature, so I'm just hiding it for now. If you are using an electric car, then you should make it unhide or make it visible, so that you will get the nearest charging points as well. And regarding the other things, one is actually the guidance view. Like you can choose whether you want this guidance in 2D or 3D. Now I configure 3D. Then you have the zoom options, automatic zoom, then motorway exit previews, like then automatic map view switching. All kind of information will be available under appearance. And the other one is actually the route planning, so in which you can configure whether you want to exclude motorways, toll roads, ferries, cash shuttle trains, those kind of roads, unpaved roads, carpool lanes. Those kind of things can be avoided from your map suggestion. And also there is an options by default, like when you are searching for a place, do we need to uh, ask which one is do we need to ask which route needs to be taken, like the shortest one, longest one, or do you have any specific requirement that can be configured here as well as. So here what I have configured is I have chosen the fastest route. So the other options available are actually the shortest route, most eco-friendly route, walking route, bicycle route. Bicycle route. Those are the existing informations. Then here you have the Bluetooth option, so you can configure your device with the mobile device as well. So here you can see I have already added my mobile data here. Then we have the Wi-Fi option, so the Wi-Fi is already enabled, so it's already connected. And you have a notification on updates and new settings. That means actually this device got a new update for speed camera. So here I have the options to update now. If I'm choosing update now, it will automatically update the whole device, so it will take a few minutes of time to update everything. So I will do it later. Then moving to the other things, so this is for the map settings. So right now I am using the Europe map, so you have other options to add maps. So here the available maps are listed here. All these are actually European countries. You can see if you want to add any of these maps to the list, you can include this one as well. Then you can delete map as well, that's also an option. Then this one is for sounds and warnings. Then voices, if you want to change the voice, you can choose a different voice.
You have reached your destination.
You have reached your destination.
Hi, I'm Serena. I can read aloud signposts, road numbers, and street names.
Okay. And then moving to the other ones, my drive is actually you will have an application which is available for both Android and iOS. So if you are registering to the application, I think that's a free application. You can pair your device with that mobile application. So if you want to search a place, you can directly search it on the My Drive application, and it will automatically send those information to the device, and you will get the same route here as well. So instead of searching these postcodes or a destination within this device, you can search it on the mobile application, and it will automatically send this route to this device, and you can directly get it from here. And the last one is actually the language and units. So that is very straightforward, like you can choose different languages. Right now I'm using English, and you will have multiple options. Yeah, again you can choose a country as well. And this is just a system setup, like you will see the version about of this device. So here you can see traffic which is activated. That means actually you will get unlimited updates going forward as well. There is no restrictions to the map updates, but for the speed camera updates, actually we are having a trial version. Like for everyone who is buying a new device, they are actually getting a trial version of the speed camera updates. So if you want to have this one for an year, it's like a subscription. So for a year it will cost around £30, I believe, total £30 for an year. I forgot the exact price, maybe it's around 30 or 32 pounds. And you will have the serial number and other informations, and that's all about this device. I